Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to create a QR code using Canva step by step using the latest method in 2025. So whether you want a QR code for your website, your business card, your social media or product label, Canva makes it very easy for you to do it. We will cover how to generate a QR code and how you can customize it with colors, graphics, and even how to use Canva's smart tools to make it stand out. Now before proceeding into this video, I would like to mention to check out the links in the description of all the resources used in this video. Without further delay, let's get straight into this tutorial. First of all, you will have to simply open your web browser, and here in the search bar you need to search for canva.com. Now once you are on canva.com, you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. In order to create a QR code, you don't need to actually have the Canva premium. You can also create this design with the help of Canva's free version. Now if you want to use Canva's mobile application, it works the same way. You will have to just download the app and log in into your account, and then you can start with the creation process. Now the new interface of Canva now looks something like this, where you are going to use this search bar, and here you need to simply start creating your design. You need to first of all choose the type of project that you want, like a poster, Instagram post, business cards or flyer. This will going to help you place your QR code in a clean and professional layout. Now for this video, I'm going to select the logo design because the QR code is the square, and I'm going to just show you how you can basically add that in this square page. But you can also, as I said earlier, use the poster, Instagram post and business card or flyers designs, and you can add the QR code there as well. Now in order to get the QR code generator, we need an application that is built-in application basically with the name QR code in Canva. So in order to get the app, you need to simply hover over to the left hand section and click on apps. Now over here in the search bar of it, you will have to simply search for QR code. Now once you type QR code, you will find a bunch of different applications that you can use to generate QR code. Now all of these applications are going to generate the QR code, but with some different design tweaks and different themes. So here I'm going to just simply select this one, that is QR code, and it is going to give us a black theme. So once you click on the QR code, it will ask you the URL. So it will going to ask for adding a URL, and it is going to create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan it and reach to the URL. So basically here you need to provide your website's URL link. So this is the URL link of my website, so I have pasted over here. You can just get the link and then you can paste it over here. It is not necessary that you provide your website's link. You can also provide your Instagram profile link, your YouTube channel link, your payment page, Google form, anything of your choice. After pasting this address, simply click on the generate code option, and there you go. Now you have the QR code ready, and now you can just place it over here like this. And if you select this QR code, you will see a bunch of other tabs in the top as well. So I'm going to show you how you can just basically use these tabs to design your QR code. Now here if I click on the edit option, you can just edit this URL. Now I have added my website's link, but if you want to change it to your YouTube channel link, you can just provide the link and you can update your code. So this is what edit tab is going to do for you. Now we have transparency. So in the transparency, you can just increase or decrease the opacity of your QR code. If you click on the animate option, you can just animate your QR code, like you can use fade, animations, rise, and you can even use the speed of the animation. You can choose the direction of the animation. You can choose different types of animations. Now in most of the cases, I don't think that you will need to animate your QR code, but still if you want to do it, you can just customize these here. So you will also see some add-on effects like this one, and it is looking good, like it is a little flicker. So this type of animation is going to work if you are using it for your YouTube channel or on your social media. Next we have the option of position. So basically you can just position it out and you can overlap it on your page. So let's say you have a very big page where you want to add QR code, you want to add text. So in that case you can use layering, and you can arrange front, backward, to forward, and so on. In the bottom of it you will find locking your design. If you want to add any comments to your design, you can do that. If you want to duplicate your design, you can just click on this plus icon and you are done. If you want to delete your design, you can also do that as well. Next we have the options of copy, paste, and duplicate, so you can do that as well. Now let's say you want to generate a different type of QR code and you don't want to use this simple version, so you can simply just come on this page again, and after that you just have to simply go to the app section again, and you can try any different QR code application. So most of the time this is going to work for you, but you can try different apps as well. So you can simply click on this share button in the top right hand corner, and you can download, you can just download it in your PC or laptop, and you can even copy this link and you can share this link with someone who want to basically scan your QR code. So this is how you can generate QR code with the help of Canva. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.